Last but certainly not least is Netgear's Engage. Netgear, as you all know, is one of our favorite solutions for NDI troubleshooting. We use a Netgear M4250 switch in our studio. And this year, not only did Netgear announce 4 new switches in their Pro AV line, in the M4350 line, but we also got Netgear Engage 2.0, which just shows their commitment to the Pro AV market more and more every day. This upgrade to Engage 2.0 allows you to have centralized configuration and monitoring of your AV switches, your Pro routers, and also your Wi-Fi 7 access points. We look at companies like BirdDog that are making NDI wireless, and Atomos making NDI wireless with encoders and decoders built into these devices that don't require you to have an Ethernet connection to it. And Netgear noticed that, and they made their wireless access points, which are specifically designed for AV over IP. So they are just continuing to show that they are committed to the Pro AV networking space, and that is why we are giving Netgear Engage 2.0 a top new product of 2025 Video Guys award.